Good morning, students. We are learning the chemical properties, that is reactions of alkanes. In last lecture, yesterday we already see the halogenation of alkane. The first chemical reaction, halogenation of alkanes. Now you know that in halogenation there is the free radical mechanism in the presence of ultraviolet light. The free radicals are formed, and then from the alkyl free radicals and halide free radical there is formation of alkyl halide, that is the haloalkane. Now let us see the second chemical reaction of alkane. This is also very important. Combustion. You know the combustion. Combustion means burning in the air, that is in the oxygen, because oxygen supports for burning, you know that. So burning means combustion. Now if there is the complete burning of hydrocarbons, remember that. If there is complete burning of hydrocarbons, stop writing and only pay attention here. If there is complete burning of hydrocarbons, remember that our body is also the hydrocarbons, and if our body or any hydrocarbon, these plants, again different animals, different plants, any hydrocarbons, alkane, alkene, alkyne, etc., when get combusted or when get complete burned, then there is formation of only two, that is the products. There is formation of only two products. One is the carbon dioxide and second is the water. Remember, though our body burned after our death, there is only formation of carbon dioxide and water vapors, and yes, very large amount of heat is evolved. Very large amount of heat is evolved, and that's why so these alkanes are very good fuels. You know the fuels. Now in the LPG gas we use the gas, that is that liquefied petroleum gas, that means isobutane, butane, methane. Such alkanes are first, they are gaseous, but they first on applying the high pressure converted into liquid and then fill into the cylinder. If we fill the gas in the gas condition, so many large cylinders are we have to use there, and there is no space. So on compression, on applying the pressure, the gas volume decreases when they convert into the liquid. But now you know that in the LPG gas, the fuel is in the liquefied petroleum gas, in the liquid form. But if we only release the pressure or decrease the pressure on opening the cork of the cylinder, what happens? That liquefied gas convert immediately into the gas form that comes from the tube, gas tube, and to the burner of the gas. And if we lighted that is the combustion is there. Therefore, these alkanes are volatile. That means the liquefied alkanes are volatile, means at room temperature they directly convert from liquid to gas. There is no condition to heating them or not requirement of heating them. What is meant by volatile? Volatile liquids. Volatile liquid means the liquids, such organic liquids are generally volatiles. Such liquids which directly convert from liquid to gas at the room temperature, and they no require the heating. Such liquids are called as the volatile liquids. When I ask you what is meant by volatile liquid, you must tell them. So now see here, in the combustion what happened? Combustion means burning of alkane. alkanes on combustion in the presence of air and the gas which support for the combustion in the air is the oxygen. So in the presence of dioxygen, dioxygen means O2, two oxygen molecules form the two oxygen atoms form the oxygen molecule. So oxygen is also called as dioxygen. Are completely oxidized. These alkanes are completely oxidized. Then you may ask me the question, madam, is there incomplete oxidation or incomplete burning? Yes. If there is incomplete burning or incomplete oxidation, then what happens? There is so many, that is the smoke is formed, and that alkanes are not converted into the carbon dioxide and water vapor. They are converted to carbon monoxide, CO, carbon monoxide, and carbon monoxide is very, very toxic gas, poisonous gas. So remember that always do the complete combustion, that is the complete burning. Then and then there is formation of carbon dioxide and water. Now with the evolution of large amount of heat, and this is why, that means that's why, so alkanes are good fuels. Now reaction is very important, because in short note, if you write so many description and if reaction is not given, 0 marks will be obtained. So this second paper have important to the chemical balanced chemical reaction. Now let us take the example of first alkane, that is the methane. Methane when on complete combustion, what gives? That is very important. Now this methane, see here. Now this methane gas, CH4 gas, methane gas. You know the formula of methane. Now only burn the methane in the presence of air. And we suppose this 2 is not there. Suppose this 2 is not there. Okay. How we balance the reaction? See here. We know that there is formation of that in our mind. What? When any alkane burns, there is formation of only 2 things. Which are that? That 2 things? That is carbon dioxide and water. Suppose this 2 is also not there. Suppose how to balance the reaction? See here. Now in methane there is 1 carbon only. So how many carbon dioxide molecules are formed? How many carbon dioxide molecules are formed there? Now see here. There is only 1 carbon in the methane. So only 1 carbon dioxide molecule is formed. And 4 hydrogen atoms. Then how many water molecules are formed? In 1 water molecule, 2 hydrogen atoms are there. But we have the 4 hydrogen atoms. Then how many water molecules are formed? 2 water molecules. So just write here 2 first. Now balance the oxygen now. Now see here 2O. That means this oxygen are 2 here and hydrogen 2 into 2 4. But oxygen are 2 and here are also 2 atoms of oxygen. That means 4 atoms of oxygen are required. But we take here only O2 because oxygen is in the form of O2 oxygen. We require the 4 oxygen atoms. So you must write here 2. 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4. And hydrogens are already balanced. 4 hydrogens, 2 into 2, 4 hydrogens are there. Now this reaction is complete. But heat of combustion, C stands for combustion. This is written in this way. Delta CH. Okay. You can write in this way. That means heat. H means heat. Delta means change in heat of combustion. And this 0 means standard heat of combustion. Standard means when all the reactants are in their standard state. That 0 stand for that. Now in this way the reaction is get complete. Now when 1 mole, as here is no any, that is the number, that means that is the 1 mole of methane. If there are 2 moles of methane, so 1 mole of methane gives how many heat? On combustion only 1 mole of methane gives 890 kilojoule per mole. Means 1 mole gives 890. Why is the negative sign is there? Because heat is evolved. it is evolved, not it is taken or absorbed. If it is absorbed by the reactant, then there must be plus sign, positive sign. Negative sign indicates it is given out, it is evolved. Now let us see the another example of the butane. Now you know the formula of butane, C4H10, 4 into 2 plus 2 in this way. 4 into 2, 8 plus 2, 10. So it is the C4H10, that is the butane. Now how this reaction then balance? Now see, there are the 4 carbon atoms. So definitely there is formation of 4 CO2 molecule. So directly write down 4 CO2. As there are 10 hydrogen, that is means that have the half of the water molecules of number of hydrogen atoms. That means 5 water molecule. Directly you can write. Now balance the oxygen now. See here, 4 into 2, 8. And these 5 O are there, okay? 8 plus 5, 13. 13 oxygen must be required. But we cannot write here as 13 O. We cannot write in this way. We have to write O2 here. But how the 13 oxygen atoms are balanced then? Now write here 13 by 2, because these 2 and these 2 get cancelled. This is below side, this is upper side. This is only 3O. Because we can, 13O. Because we cannot write only 13O. We must write O2 and then balance in this way. So generally, how the reaction is there? Suppose this is the general formula of alkane. Okay, you know the general formula of alkane. What is that? CnH2n plus 2. This is the general formula of alkane. Take any alkane. Then how this reaction generally is there? Now see here, there are the n number of carbon atoms. So definitely formation of n CO2 molecules are there. Okay. And hydrogens are there. That is the twice n plus 2. That means 2 hydrogens are more than the double of the carbon atoms. Now we know that in this reaction what happened there? How 5 water molecules I write here 5 water. Now see here, there are 4 carbon atoms, but formation of 5 water molecules. Okay. So there is the n carbon atoms. So formation of 1 water molecule is more than the n number. So n plus 1 H2. Compare these two reactions. See here, there are 4 carbon, but formation of water CO2 are 4, but formation of water molecule is 1 more than the CO2. So n plus 1 H2. Now and heat is evolved. Here also very large amount of heat is evolved after combustion of this butane. Now see here, this is the balance. Now how this we can balance now? Oxygen. We write here O2, but here the number of oxygen atoms are, see here, in this case, there are the 3 into n. N means 4, okay? 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 3, 12, and plus 1 we have to do there. So multiply the number of carbon atom by 3 and add 1 into that. So see here, 3n, carbon number are n, so 3n plus 1. And this 2 is there, divided by 2. And this O2 is also there. So you must write this general reaction also in the short note. From this reaction we can convert this reaction in this way. Now let us see the next chemical reaction of alkanes, that is the pyrolysis of alkanes. This is also very important reaction. This is just opposite to that of the combustion. Remember that. Why it is opposite to that of the combustion? In combustion, we compulsory required oxygen gas. Remember that. For combustion, for burning of alkane, compulsory requirement of oxygen gas. But in pyrolysis, in the absence of oxygen, this reaction is carried out. In the absence, that means there is no requirement of oxygen. Now what is meant by this pyrolysis? Pyrolysis means cracking, breaking, decomposition. Decomposition means what? In biology you learn that that is the animals when dies or after the death of the animals, they go into the earth and the different bacteria decompose them into the different, that is the protein, carbohydrates, etc. That means they breaks them into the simple substances. Okay, that is mean by decomposition. So here our decomposition is that in the chemistry the large alkane molecules are decomposed or breaks into the small alkane or small alkene and hydrogen, and main product is the, that is the small alkanes are there in pyrolysis. Alkenes are also formed and hydrogen gas is evolved, because you know that in alkane there is hydrogen, and all the alkanes have the carbon-carbon single bond in them, but they are sometimes break into the alkene containing less number of carbon atom, and there is the double bond in them. If there is the double bond, that means two hydrogens are less from the alkane, and that two hydrogens are going to the air in the form of hydrogen gas. Now see what is actually happen into this pyrolysis of alkane. Alkanes on heating at high temperature, very high, 773 Kelvin, means how many degrees centigrade? We learned that only minus 273 from that. Then how many degree? 500 degree. 500 degree means, degree Celsius means very high temperature, because at 42 or 43 temperature into the summer season we have the, that is the burning light, that is sensation to our skin. So 500 degree centigrade means very high temperature. Now this is done into the, this pyrolysis is done into the very huge, that is retort. Retort means bhatti. Very large retort at high temperature, and also there is not given but only temperature is given. So at high temperature about the 773 Kelvin, about this reaction is carried out, and alkanes on heating at high temperature in the presence of air, sorry, in the absence of air, not in the presence of air, in the absence of air, decompose to, alkanes are decomposed to, into what? Lower alkanes or small alkanes. Alkenes, that means large alkane are converted into the small alkane, alkenes and hydrogen gas. This is known as the pyrolysis or cracking. They always ask you the definition. What is meant by pyrolysis? Define pyrolysis and explain. This type of question are there. So you must give the definition of pyrolysis, that is the cracking. Now here take the example of hexane. Now you know that this alkane is hexane having the 6 carbon atom. 6 into 2, 12 plus 2, 14. Now this is the C6H14, that is the hexane. Now at about 773 Kelvin, three different types of products are obtained. Three different types of reactions are that is done there. First one is this hexane is converted into hexene. Why I write the name hexene here? Because formula is C6H12. This is C6H14. That means two hydrogens are more always into the alkane than the alkene. So C only, that is the multiply by 2 the formula of the alkene, C and H twice N. So C6H12, this is the alkene. But which alkene? As it contains the 6 carbon atom, it is the hexene. Understand? This is the hexene alkene, and 2 hydrogen are there. That means hydrogen gas is evolved there. Again, this compound is formed, but this is I think this is the dialkyne, suppose, because if it contain only triple bond, then C6H12 minus 2, that means C6H10 are must there, okay, for alkyne, for the one triple bond. But there are only 8 hydrogen atoms. That means there may be 2 triple bond in this compound. So you just write C6H8. Now see here C6H12s are there. Now how many hydrogens are remaining? How many? That is the 6 hydrogen atoms. 6 hydrogen. Now this is C4H. See, that is the printing mistake, I think, into the that is a textbook. See the textbook. See the textbook. What is there in C4H8 or C6H8? What is C6? That is printed because they here give C2H6. Okay. Then here must be C4H8. And what is this? I tell you, this is the first addition. This is the first addition. So many printing mistakes are there into that. So this is butene and ethane are formed. Now balance the hydrogen 8 plus 6, 14. Balance the carbon 4 plus 2, 6. Now this is the correct. Now third is there is formation of three different products. Propene, ethene and methane. Now why it is propene? Because C3H6, just double hydrogens are there. So it is the propene. Why it is ethene? C2H4. So it is the ethene, double hydrogen. And that is the CH4. Now count the carbon. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 6 hydrogen, 6 plus 4. That is the 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Now this is the bag. Now in this way write the short note on pyrolysis with this example. Now last, that is the chemical reaction of chemical reaction of alkane, that is the reforming. Forming means to prepare, means to make, forming. But reforming means recast, like the recast, as in hybridization. Reforming. Now first, what is this reforming? Then straight chain alkanes at very high temperature and very high pressure also required in this reaction at 10 to 20 atmospheric pressure. That is the atmospheric pressure on our body in this atmosphere is only 1 atm. But 20 atm means very high pressure is required for this reaction and very high temperature, about 773 Kelvin. Then what happens in that is the reforming? The straight chain alkanes are converted into the benzene ring. Benzene ring or its homologous. Homologous means what? In the 14th chapter, you know the homologous series. Homologous means benzene-like compounds, naphthalene, anthracene, etc. Now, straight chain alkane contains 6 to 10 carbon atom. Such alkanes which containing 6 to 10 up to 1 to 5 carbon atom containing alkanes do not give this reaction. For this reaction, the alkane must contain minimum 6 to 10 carbon atoms. Are converted to the benzene and its homologous on heating about 773 Kelvin and pressure about 10 to 20 atmosphere in the presence of catalyst. Yes, that is very important. Catalyst means the substance which enhance or which increases the rate of the reaction. So if we do not use the catalyst, the reaction takes so many large time for completion. Sometimes it may not complete up to our that is the life. Sometimes that also happen. So catalyst must be used to increase the vague of the reaction, and that catalyst which is used for this reaction, very important. In MCQ there may be question, which catalyst is used for the reforming of the alkanes, and the name of that catalyst is the vanadium pentoxide. V2O5. V means vanadium pentoxide. And this reaction is known as the aromatization. Why it is known as aromatization? Or because aromatic ring is formed there, benzene ring. That is aromatic. Aromatic compound means such compound which are similar to benzene or benzene like which contain the benzene ring and they have the aroma. Why the aromatic name is given to them? Aroma means sweet smell. In Greek language, sweet smell known as the aroma. So all aromatic compounds have different sweet smells, different smell. You know the naphthalene which kept our mummy into the, that is clothes, that naphthalene. Again, benzene have sweet smell, aniline have different smell. So many aromatic compounds have different, very pleasant smell. So they are called as the aromatic compound. As here benzene ring is formed, so it is called as the aromatization. Now see here how the this N-hexane. Why it is N-hexane? See here. Why it is N-hexane? Normal hexane. Because straight chain alkane is there. There is no branching. 6 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ending carbon contains 3 hydrogen. We know how to draw the structure of alkane. Ending carbon always contain 3 hydrogen and the middle carbon contain 2 hydrogen. So hexane means C6H14. So count the hydrogen. 3 plus 3 6, 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Now this is the correct structure of N-hexane. So always you check your structure after writing. If there is one hydrogen is less or more in that structure, your structure is wrong and you got the 0 marks. So always you have to habit to check your structure which is drawn on your notebook or in the examination. Now this is the vanadium pentoxide I use here, that is the catalyst. Temperature is about 773 and about 20 atmosphere pressure is there. Now what happened? This converted into the benzene and 4 molecules of hydrogens are evolved. Now what is the actually molecular formula of benzene? C6H6. You know that. Why it is C6H6? Remember here, see here. Now these are the 6 carbon atom I draw here of benzene, and alternate means one after another there is the double bond. Now see the valency of carbon 1, 2, 3. It requires only 1 hydrogen. Now here also 1, 2, 3, 1 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 1 hydrogen. Here 1, 2, 3, 1 hydrogen. Here also 1, 2, 3, 1 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 1 hydrogen. Now this benzene is the same. Here only carbon and hydrogens are not shown. That is similar structure. So now what have now remaining? That is the 8 hydrogen atom. 6 are here. 6 carbon and 6 hydrogens. Only 8 hydrogen atom. So how many molecules? 4 molecules. 4 into 2, 8. In this way, this process is used in the refineries. What is mean by refineries? Where purification is done. Purification of the substances is done to produce the gasoline well, which is used in the automobiles. Now these are the chemical reactions of alkane. Tomorrow we will see the physical reaction, the uses of alkanes. And now if you like this video, you must share and subscribe and tell the other student to watch. Now this is very important video for the 11 point of view.